centre of Liverpool. Liverpool was one of those universities. We also accept other qualifications like IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo, if you intended to go to the University of Liverpool.
We're talking about advocacy. As you can see, the university is universal. Time management is very important.
BDC Council and MIE Pathways was very good, and it creates more accessibility for debaters.
Thank NCUK and MIE Pathways for giving us the opportunity.
Future competitions, including the Pre-Worlds, which is coming up next month, and hopefully get to represent my country.
Work of the BDC councils and MIE Pathways was very great and gave us a lot of opportunity to learn.
Probably this has been one of the best sessions I've ever attended.
Our trainers were very insightful, very knowledgeable, and we enjoyed the workshop a lot.
Today we are at MIE Pathways in a debate workshop which is taken by the BDC Bangladesh Debate Council.
And the way he talked was very smooth. Anybody, even a child, could understand it. And I really appreciate MIE doing this for us and allowing us, new debaters.
They can do the foundation year and they can progress to the university.
I would like to thank MIE Pathways for providing this platform and providing this opportunity for all of these debaters to learn about argumentation, the art of argumentation and the ways of weighing. We took very great sessions, and I believe it was very helpful to all of the debaters that attended.
Today I took a session that was in collaboration with BDC and MIE Pathways, and I'm happy to report that it was one of the best sessions that I've had.